got some motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, nigga, I got 3 old guys on the block.
All right, we are on the record in the matter of the City of Riverview versus Pamela Bowens, 25327.
Good morning, Helen.
Good morning.
Judge.
Good morning. All right. And counsel, your appearance, please.
Robert Erie, appearing on behalf of Pamela Bowens, to my right.
Thank you. And Ms. Bowens, your name for the record, please. All right. And so today is the date scheduled for a plea hearing, as this matter was previously scheduled for a jury trial, and we were informed that there was a resolution. And counsel?
That's correct, Your Honor. The client and I and the prosecutor have reached an agreement that my client stands ready to plead guilty to operating while visibly impaired. Understanding is that the initial charge, primary charge, will be dismissed, and that a sentencing date would be set. I have explained to my client constitutional rights, her constitutional rights. However, I would request perhaps the court can go over those as well, so that the two is knowing.
Okay. And so, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
All right. And you heard the plea that was placed on the record, correct?
About visibly impaired, correct?
Yes. As to that amended charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
You've gone over your advice of rights with your attorney, correct?
Yes,
And you understand all of those rights.
yes,
You also understand by entering into a plea that you'll be waiving some of those rights.
yes,
You also understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, whether in this court, any other court, or administrative agency.
yes,
Knowing all of that, do you want to continue with your plea?
yes.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No,
Are you,
no,
Can you just perhaps qualify that other than what the plea bargain is?
okay, so ma'am, have you had any, other than any communications with your attorney regarding the resolution in this matter and the plea, have you had any other reason to feel, do you have any reason to feel threatened or coerced or harassed into entering into this plea?
no,
Okay. And any immigration issues? All right, and counsel, if you can please do your claim.
Yes, so on the date in question, which I believe was February 9th, 2025, where you were operating a motor vehicle in the city of Riverview.
yes,
And prior to that time, had you consumed alcoholic beverage?
yes,
And when you were stopped by the police department, did you take a blood test?
yes,
And the blood test, Your Honor, I stipulate was a .23.
Yes.
I have no further questions.
Did the consumption of that alcohol affect your ability to operate your motor vehicle in a safe manner?
yes,
All right, the court does find the plea as knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the amended charge, dismiss the original charge for the plea agreement. And,
Can I indicate, have the clerk perhaps check one thing in the file? I
okay,
believe there was a blood test on this. Can you check to see if it was .23? I want to make sure I'm accurate.
it was 0.232.
All right, thank you.
Yes, yes. All right, and so then what will happen, ma'am, is for the amended charge, we will,
Your Honor, can I also indicate one other matter that may affect what the court decides? My client entered another plea on another case, as the court is aware, in Lincoln Park, and Judge Clifton made a suggestion on that matter because he knew that I was coming here today. She's going to go through the pre-sentence process in Riverview or in Lincoln Park, and Judge Clifton inquired whether you may wish to consolidate those two, since she's going to go through that whole matter rather than her going through it twice, once there and once here.
Well, okay, so is she participating in the treatment court over there?
It's not a treatment court, but however, she is in intensive treatment through another matter in Novi that I believe the court is aware of. Also, she's
Ma'am,
Sorry.
he needs to make a record. So, I mean, the facts are what they are. He has to make a record. Your attorney has to make a record for a number of reasons. So if you have a problem with that, then I'm not really sure what you want to do about that, because he has to state that on the record so that the court has a full record and the court has a full understanding. And while I do recall some aspects of this case, right? I have a lot of cases that come in front of me on a regular basis, and I don't recall all of the details of every case. So your attorney isn't doing anything wrong. He is stating the facts, he's stating the issues and the challenges and the concerns on the record, as he's required to do.
My apologies.
my suggestion just might be, Your Honor, in the interest of judicial and administrative economy, to allow what she's going through in Lincoln Park to also be reported to this court so that she doesn't go through it twice.
It's possible that this court would do that, but I need to have a pre-sentence investigation conducted with our probation department, just because that's what's required. And then I will make a determination at that point based upon what her terms and conditions of probation in the 25th District Court is, and what the recommendation is here, right? So I will definitely consider that.
Yes, and may I add something, Your Honor?
Okay,
Judge Clifton also, he had discussed some therapy, like counseling, outpatient counseling for maybe alcohol or something, you might recall better. But he highly recommended River Guidance Center, so I would just like to share that with you in the event that something needs to be added. That he said they're really good and have good programs, so I'm just adding that for what it's worth.
okay, all right, thank you. Okay, and so ma'am, if you were to test right now, what is in your system?
Nothing.
All right, so I'm going to order bond and conditions are continued. You're going to go over to probation. And you're going to receive a few things. You're going to receive your link for your needs assessment.
What was that word, Mayor?
The link for her needs assessment. Yes, it's an online link. And you're also going to receive some paperwork regarding your pre-sentence review and your date for your PSI and your sentencing.
The probation, take the sentence, take that.
And yes, and counsel, you can confirm the date that works for your calendar. Okay? Okay, thank you. Good luck to you. Have a good day. Thank you.